The bottle filling production line is mainly composed of a bottle unscrambler, a filling, stoppering, capping, and screwing machine, and a self-adhesive labeling machine. The production line is suitable for automatic packaging of eye drops, essential oils, liniments, and other bottles, stoppers, and caps. Filling metering plunger pump and peristaltic pump are optional. The plugging and capping method adopts the manipulator for positioning, plugging, and capping. The capping station adopts pneumatic bottle jacking mode, which effectively guarantees the capping effect and the beauty of packaging. According to the user's needs, we can choose the ways of ribbon coating, thermal transfer printing, code spraying, etc. After labeling, we can collect bottles and complete the packaging.